Hello everyone. So, let's discuss about the training activity matrix for Masonry and C2. Shown here is the basic competencies training plan and training matrix. So, on the top is the training plan, while here below is the training matrix. So, dito sa training plan, kokopyahin lang natin yung unit of competencies, ilalagay natin dito sa training plan. As you can see na pinopoint ng arrow. And then, dito naman sa training activity or task, we'll just copy and paste it here sa training matrix. So, next, for facilities, tools and equipment naman, copy-paste lang natin, ilalagay natin sa materials sa ating training matrix. Sa venue, same, ika-copy-paste din. And then, same with time. So here in our training matrix, we should make our remarks for each trainee and in each activity. So let's come to the common competency. So same with the basic competency, kokopyahin natin yung unit of competency. So example of unit of competency here in common is observe procedures, specification, and manuals of instruction. So, kokopyahin natin yan papunta sa ating training matrix. And then, the training activity or task, copy-paste lang din natin and we will put it on the training activity of our training matrix. For the facilities, tools, and equipment, copy-paste then. And then, same with venue and also with time. So, last part is the core competency. So here in core competency, we have lay concrete hollow blocks for structure. Kokopyahin natin ito and we will put it here in our training matrix. And then same with training activity or task, we'll just copy paste it in our training activity matrix, as well as the facilities, tools, and equipment. Mapupunta siya sa materials ng ating training matrix. Same with the venue and also the time. So that would end my discussion. Thank you for listening.